Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In honor of St. Patrick's Day, I decided to do a sort of Irish themed recipe. Well, that's what Google says, but sometimes you can't believe all that Google says. But it's kind of like a honey mustard chicken with potatoes and roasted carrots. So you're gonna start out with a quarter cup of honey and then a full tablespoon of ground mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Also 3 to 5 chicken breasts. And then later when I show you guys the chicken, you don't have to season your chicken because the recipe I was looking at they didn't say to season your chicken before you cooked it, but I seasoned it with some salt and pepper before I put it in my pan to sear it. That's what you see that I'm doing here, is just seasoning it a little bit. And then when I went to go put it in the pan, so I put a little over a tablespoon of butter, and I end up changing the pan to my cast iron because I realized that pan was too small. And then these are the veggies: about a pound of red potatoes. I think I used about 6 or 7 carrots, 1 whole onion, and I ended up boiling my potatoes because I feel like they would just take forever if I did not. But I did end up, later on after I cooked the chicken, you don't have to go ahead and clean the pan because you're going to cook your onions in that pan after you let your chicken rest. I let my onions brown in there and added my carrots into it. I loved how good the carrots were after, when I went to go eat. They were so tender and sweet and garlicky at the same time, because I love to add in a little bit of garlic. There's nothing wrong with that. But don't make fun of the way I cut onions. I cut onions probably weird, but this is what I think is good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this sort of Irish theme recipe in honor of the holiday. Next year, I will most certainly do another recipe, hopefully. This is what my seared chicken looked like. And then this is where I put in my onions and stuff like that into the recipe. But thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a happy St. Patrick's Day. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, so I forgot to tell y'all that I cooked my chicken until the internal temperature was 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And then after, when I put this in the oven, you don't have to put it in the oven. You could just put a lid on this and let it cook a little bit all together so all the flavors marinate. But I put it in at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And before I put it in, I put that sauce on and let it cook. And then this was me this is what I served it in a little bowl, and it was good.